Hi folks, thank you for checking out my video. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough on how to change the battery to your vehicle's key fob. It's a 2017 Camry. My key fob is running out of battery. So with that, I'm going to take the key inside and walk you through how I changed the battery to this key fob. So you will notice on the outer edges of the key itself, there's a little opening. I'm going to use this screwdriver. This is the regular size flathead, and this is the one I'm using. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller. If you don't have a screwdriver, you can get a small knife that will enable you to plug it in there like so. But before you start to open the key, you want to make sure that you turn it face down. Turn the buttons side face down. The reason for that is that these buttons can come loose. When you open it, especially if you're not careful, they can pop out and you could lose them in your furniture, and you might have difficult time finding them or put them back into their slot. Just to make things easier, you just flip it over face down toward the floor or the desk here, and then kind of work your way to find the opening. Once you have it in there, you just have to wiggle it or kind of twist it like that gently. There should be opening along the edges and kind of work your way around. It's really easy. As you can see, it's coming off like so. And then take the top cover off. Pretty simple. Take it off like so. Okay, and put it on the floor. Inside the cover, you'll see the electronic module here. And you can basically take it out. Okay, from there. Now, again, the reason I had it face down originally, so the buttons here can stay in place. As you can see, they can come loose like that. So that's why you want to initially face it down, like so. Okay, so this is the circuit and the battery itself. The battery is just inside this box here, okay? I think it's made out of plastic or rubber. So you will notice that there are openings here. These are latches that lock the teeth of the circuit together to hold the battery. What you want to do is you want to insert the flathead. Again, the smaller the better. So you have it up like this, like the two eyes, the nose and the mouth, and then you have this little opening right there. So I'm going to see if this works. Insert it in there like that, just gently, and kind of push it up, right? As you can see, it's coming off, right? Like so. And then once you have that off, you can insert the flathead into the rest of the opening there to try to get it out or pry it out, or just along the edges, okay? Like so. And here, I'm going to do this one here like that, kind of push it up, as you can see. So now you can see that it's giving you a good gap, right? And you can try to open it like so, and it will easily come off. So here's the cover. Underneath the circuit here is the battery. So on the battery, it has a rating. There's a number here. It's a CR2016 at 3 volts. So when you go out there and purchase the new battery, you want to make sure you pick the exact number, which is CR2016 at 3 volts. So at the bottom here is the brand name, this company. This one's Energizer. Now it could be Panasonic or Lithium or whatever, but as long as the rating for this battery is the same, then you should be okay. Again, there's a circuit behind the battery. If you buy the wrong size, it might not be compatible, and also the thickness of the battery might be different too. You want to be able to get the exact battery so that it can fit perfectly in the circuit. To get the battery out, you can use your fingernails, but I don't have long fingernails. I don't think I can take it out. But you can use your flathead screwdriver, and at the base, right? So here, you'll see a little metal plate here. I would just, at the base here, kind of insert it and lift it up. So I'm going to put my thumb up here. You won't get shocked. Let me just move this out of the way so you can see, and kind of lift it up, okay? Like so. And then it'll just snap out of its place, like so. So on the edges, there are four clips here holding the battery in place. And they're pretty easy for you to just take it out. So here's the old battery. I forgot to mention, you want to pay attention to the position of the battery, okay? So facing up, there's a positive sign there, and there's also all the different information on the battery. So that's facing up. When you replace the battery, you want to insert it in the same position. You don't want to do this because that might damage the circuit. So you just want to make note how the battery is facing. I'm going to replace this old battery with a new battery. I do have a new battery here. I went ahead and get this morning. As you can see, it's an exact match. CR 2016. When you replace the battery, you basically insert it from the bottom up, like so. You just insert it like so. Boom. So now it's locked in. Positive side up with all the writing on it facing you. So once you've done that, it's pretty straightforward. You get the cover and then snap it back into place like so, and then put it in there like so, and put the cover back on. Pretty simple. Press it together until you hear that nice snap. There you go. Now the battery is replaced. Hopefully that will do the trick. All right, so let's go outside and test to see if this is going to work. Hopefully this will work. Let me just press the button. There you go. Beautiful. It works. Let me close it again one more time. Yep. With that, I hope the video was helpful, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much.